Ang red ribbon.
Red ribbon, meron na po ba kayong representative here? Okay na po. And
Beautiful stars.
Green, meron na ang green dito.
Happy birthday.
Okay na, yan. All set na.
Wait lang, pag sunod-sunod na po natin.
Ito, yellow.
Yellow.
First green.
Nasa po yellow.
Ate po ka doon?
Next po is red. Red. Then blue, blue, and green.
Okay na po. Atol Pastoralis po. Pastoralis.
Wait lang, bumili mo lang ang story. Guys, lakad kayo doon sa likod, and then balik kayo sa harap, and then posing, okay?
Occupy the space, ha?
Kids,
Brielle.
Mateo!
Mateo,
Yan, okay na.
okay, ready na!
Ayan, hindi magpapatalo ang ating mga CYN.
At tatawagin na natin ang unang larampa, nagmula sa naninilaw at naninining na Yellow Team Rushing Yellow. Pasok! Nagbarilan ang mga batang to.
Okay, next naman natin ang Red Ribbon!
Ano ba para si Kian?
Ano kayo ngayon?
Ang grupo ng magaganda at guwapo, Beautiful Stars!
Ano yung mga mga judges na ito?
Ang pinakahuli.
Happy birthday!
Ano ako?
Alright!
For the final look. For the final look. Sino ako lahat?
Meron pa naman.
3, 2, 1.
Sobrang silang mahihirapan for sure.
Nagkakaroon pa rin si Ate Jory.
Mga bata pa lang, nag-iinit na yung ano, palpal.
Alright. Naku, hirap na hirap ang ating mga judges. Grabe ang labanan this year. Ayan, nagde-deliberation na sila. Ay, sorry. Sakit na.
Nahihirapan po ang mga judges.
Ay, napakagaling ng mga CYNs natin.
Kaya ngayon
We
lang,
will have.
ano na mangyayari to? Walang mananalo. Uwi na kayo.
Hindi.
May clincher round kasi nga sobrang tabla yung labanan dito.
Yeah.
Yes,
Ayan.
sobrang hirap ang judges.
So at this point in time, it's going to be a battle of wits. We're going to have a Q&A.
Brain.
Okay.
Alright guys, this
Isa
is the
lang ang sasagot.
mechanics. Oh, isa, mechanics. We're gonna be asking you guys as a team, pero isa lang sa inyo ang pwedeng sumagot. Okay? So it's up for you guys to decide kung sino ang sasagot sa ating Q&A.
Yeah.
Alright! Edward, Jackoy, I think the questions are ready.
We'll start with the yellow.
The yellow.
Russian yellow.
Mamili kayo. Who's gonna answer?
Let's go on rushing yellow.
Russian yellow here.
Rushing yellow.
Please forward.
Who will answer? You will
Sino sasagot? So, Isay.
Okay guys, huwag niyo seryosohin to, okay?
This is a very hard question. Okay?
Wow. English na ba Tagalog? Kuya Jax?
This is Tagalog. Sorry.
There's no right or wrong.
Yes.
It's just you have to be witty with your answers.
Sorry kung medyo mature din yung question, pero di natin masusukat ang iyong wittiness. Wittiness.
Game!
Okay.
Is Tagalog fine with you, Isay?
Of course!
Let's try.
Do you want
I can
Spanish?
understand, I can answer in English naman.
Hola, Espanyol.
Okay, first question para sa ating yellow. Ano ang masusundin mo? Ang puso mo o ang sigaw ng nanay mo? Ang sigaw ng puso mo or ang sigaw ng nanay mo? That's your Ate Kari.
That's a tough one.
Okay.
Isay, are you ready?
Your answer, please. Okay, maybe
Dapat
elaborate. So
English.
what's
What are you going to follow?
what out of your heart?
Okay, to make it simple, Isay, which one would you follow? Your mother's advice?
Or your
or
heart?
what your heart is
Isa.
saying? Or is telling you?
So I believe me and my mom have very similar goals in life, and as much as possible, I'd like to follow after her lead. But I'd also like to start in my own and be independent, make my own choices, as that's what I want to accomplish in this life.
Very nice answer.
Okay, thank you, Yellow.
Isa pa sila yan.
Let's the red ribbon.
Red ribbon.
Red ribbon! Our sister, company. Ang Jollibee. Ano ang
Ako
pinasalo?
magtatanong.
Wait, ano si Edward?
Mamili ka sa 1 to 5. Number 1 to 5. Mamili kayo. Mamili kayo ng number. Number 3.
Use your mic.
Who's gonna answer?
Who's gonna answer?
You will answer? Number 3. Okay, ang tanong natin ay magmumula sa number 1. Okay. English, okay. Do you have electric fan in your house?
Hindi yun. Not that one.
No, I'm asking you, yeah, no. Do you have electric fan
Then
in your
there's a
house?
following question.
Yes.
Okay, you have electric fan. What is your favorite number in electric fan and why? Okay.
Dapat ba number?
Yeah, number. You can choose A to C or 1 to 3. So, and then apply it to yourself. 1 to 3. Okay, choose.
Which number and why?
2 and why?
It's not too less, it's not too much, it's just the perfect amount for me.
Di ba? Yung nagbilang sa walang makuha ng tanong, pinaganda. Oh, yun yun.
Alright, sa battle of wits.
Alright. This is the beautiful.
Okay,
So who's gonna answer? Okay.
who's gonna answer? You, okay.
Yung isa. The
Okay.
second one.
I have. You don't trust me, guys?
No, even
Okay.
here. Okay.
Okay, choose number 1 to 4.
2.
Number 2, okay, we're gonna use number 3. Who is your favorite superhero? And why? Okay, explain.
My favorite superhero is probably Spider-Man because I've always looked up to him since I was a kid. And for some reason, when I first saw him, I always wanted to get bitten by a spider to get his powers.
Wow! Turong-turo ng tatay, nanonood. Thank you so much. And for the last...
Okay, the last team, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Okay, ano na? Wow!
Who is the
Number three.
Okay, sige.
Ay, mga magulang. Kasi mga magulang. Andun, mga magulang.
Okay, Gab, nakakaintindi ka naman.
Record, bakit di ma-video?
Oh, yes, ito, Tagalog naman tayo.
Maganda yung number 3.
The question is, ang tanong,
Ang tanong.
naniniwala ka ba na ang batang masipag, paglaki, pagod? Okay, naniniwala ka ba na ang batang masipag, paglaki, pagod? Your answer?
I believe na ang bata pong masipag ay hindi magiging pagod paglaki. Kasi po, pag masipag ka, edi while growing up, diba, you've already accomplished so much things in your life. So when you grow up, you're living successfully and you just relaxing. Thank you.
Lalong nahirapan ang mga dati. Lalong nahirapan.
Ang mga judges.
Hiniling niyo to, binigay namin.
Thank you so much.
Thank you!